Holy crap!
Chaw, man, we're about to pass us a good time, yeah.
Shit! What is up? So, today we are out in Lafayette, just pulled up at Slop Tit headquarters. We have a Bando to hit in New Iberia. So, we got a couple guys gonna meet up. I'm like dead tired. I worked all night trying to get all my stuff together. Unfortunately, I only have 2 drones to fly today, so we'll just have to hope that your ISO frame, Mr. Derek, is going to last me all day. So come along for the ride, for the journey, for the whatever happens, and let's see what we can do. There she is. Holy shit. We are in a bando with art everywhere. And shrooms. It's like a world of art in here. Like, this is amazing. Credit to whoever did this shit. Sure.
Oh my god, this is dope.
I need a hood on my lens. Oh my god.
Flashback.
This place is roped off. They use it for photography shoots and stuff now. Like if you look in the background, there's like a locker and some other stuff set up. And they actually have a Facebook page, so we're getting in contact with them right now so we don't break any rules or any laws, because it is roped off, and if we crash and cross that shit, it's considered trespassing, and it's also got a private property sign. So yeah, that's how you do it and be safe. We don't just come out here and pull up and rip stuff if we know that it's not something that we should be doing. We go about it the right ways. Just because we do dangerous stuff doesn't mean we're not responsible about what we're doing. So don't forget that shit. So you might have to go really high and go dive in that, like dive and look straight down into it.
There's nothing in there?
No, that's it. But it is very, 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 very tall.
I mean, don't get on the first time. No, fuck it, I'm not risking it. Look at that. Oh? See, here? Oh shit. Oh yeah.
I know, I gotta go get the stick though.
Where is it?
You don't see the props right there?
Now I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I see it.
That sucks. I am not even gonna change the props after that. Get it clean. I lost an arm and a motor to this fucker. This is the hole we gotta get out of. The fuck. Hey! That's a tight squeeze coming out that little hole. So that's gonna do it for the Charles Boldt paper mills for me. Ken Isoframe did excellent. Survived at least 2 tower dives inside, into the bricks, yada yada, kamsada. I'm gonna go home and fix all kind of shit so I can do it again. Later.
Now,
And you go to the Mousson Patoot right there and get you a fucking new car.